Hello, today we are going to say these words with your English voice. First one, post. Post means to leave a message on a website. So if I type a message on my computer on a website, I post it. Next, blogger. A blogger is someone who keeps a record of their activities or opinions and posts it on the internet for others to read. Next, vlogger. A vlogger is someone who makes vlogs, which are short films that record your thoughts, ideas, or opinions on a subject and posts them on the internet. I have a friend who is a vlogger, and most of her short films or vlogs include her children. Share. Share means to put something on a social media website so that other people can see it, or to let other people see something that someone else has put on a website. So for example, if I'm on a website and I see a blog that somebody has posted, I can share that blog. And that means that all of my friends can then see that information. Next, chat. Chat means to take part in a discussion that involves sending messages over the internet, by smartphone, etc. So if I have a conversation with you via text, over the internet, we are chatting. Online. Online is when something is bought or used, etc., using the internet. For example, I recently bought a pair of shoes online. Offline. Offline means to not be connected to the internet or to a central computer system. So for example, if you go hiking in a forest, chances are high that you will be offline. You won't be connected to the internet. And the last one, install. Install means to put a computer program onto a computer so that the computer can use it. So for example, if I want a particular game on my computer, I would need to install that game onto my computer. Excellent job with these English words. Well done. Goodbye.